Hello guys, we are back again. Now we'll be doing this Spearman rank correlation. The second different model we are doing now. When ranks are not given in the problem. Okay, when ranks are not given in the problem. So now how do we do this without ranks? Okay, because like this Spearman rank correlation itself, includes the ranks. It has to include the ranks. But in the problem, ranks were not given here. So what can we do? Now we will be just identifying. Now we have to mark the ranks ourselves. We have to identify the least values in this, and then start with the first rank and so on. So and then in the same series y also will be identifying the least values and then giving them a first rank and so on. So it will be very easy. The formula is again. It's the same. R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma t square divided by n cube minus n. Okay. So we'll do it. The very first basic thing that we're gonna do is copy down all the values given in the problem. 53, 98. You can actually start doing in your notes along with my class now, with my presentation now. 81. 75. So basically, if you do it along with me, it will be much more fun learning and much more interesting rather than just looking into video and then trying to learn it. It doesn't help you actually. So I request everyone to have a notes with you and then start listening to the classes, and then if you could start in your notes, that would be very much easy for you. Okay. So I'm just noting down the values. I'm not doing any miracles here. I'm just copying the problem, whatever the ranks, the variables values given in the x, and then values given in the y, and just noting it down. 25, 32, 37, 30, 40, 39, 45. Okay, so now I have written down the x value, written down the y values. So ranks were not given in the problem. Now how do we create ranks? So as I have told you earlier, so we need to create ranks now. We need to create ranks. But presently I am doing trying out to figure out the ranks for the x values. Okay. So what is the least point happen over here? The very first beginning started with 53. It's 1 I am giving. The next, upper value is 55. I'm marking it as 2. So and then the immediate next would be 59. I'm giving it rank 3. So and then the next immediate upper value is 61. I'm giving it rank 4. So after 61, 75, I find it to be highest value. I am giving it rank 5. So likewise, after 75, I find 81 to be the highest value. I have given rank 6. So and then 95, rank 7, and 98, rank 8. Okay, and just cross checking. 53 is 1, 55 is 2, 59 is 3. 61 is 4, 75 is 5, 81 is 6, 95 is 7 rank, and 98 is 8 rank. The same process we do it for the y values also. Okay, we will be denoting it as R2. So what is the smallest number we are having? No, it's 25. We just started with 25. So I am giving it as rank 1. Okay. So the next number, the next highest, the trend value is 30. I'm giving it rank 2. So the next one is 32. I'm giving it as rank 3. So and then 37 being the rank 4. So and then again 39 is rank 5. 40 is rank 6. 45 is rank 7, and 47 is 8. So initially there are no ranks given in the problem. Okay, I just copied down all the x values, copied down all the y values. The very first thing I have done under this problem is I have given a ranks to the x values. I have given a ranks to the y values. Now you have got ranks. You already know what to do now. Okay. So you need to calculate d. Okay. So you already know d is simply r1 minus r2. R1 minus R2 rank, okay, 1 minus rank 2, you know, like ranks values. So like 1 minus 8 minus 7, 8 minus 1 is plus 7, 7 minus 3 is 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 3 minus 5 is again minus 2, and 2 minus 7 is plus 5. So now we need to enumerate this minus values. You are just squaring it. Okay, you are squaring it. So g square is minus 7 square is 49. 7 square is 49 again. 4 square is 16. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. Minus 2 square is plus 4. And again plus 4. And then like 25. Okay. Now, what do we need? We need sigma d square. We need sigma d square. Okay. So I have already calculated in my notes in order to minimize the time. So it is 160. Okay. We will be getting this values as sigma d square as 160. So you have already got sigma d square now, and then like you already know the number of items given in the problem, and then like you directly apply the formula. R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma g square divided by n cube minus n, that is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square is 160, is your 160 into 160 divided by how many items were there? N means number of items. Okay, how many items were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items were there. 8 cube minus 8. Okay, that gives you 1 minus. That's like I have already done it in the notes. Just 960 divided by 504. So like 1 minus 1.90. So again we got a negative correlation here. Okay, so there is no correlation, or else like there is a correlation but it's like a negative correlation. When your r is equal to 0, you can say this totally no correlation at all. Okay, so this is like a negative correlation happening over here. Okay, so this is when ranks were not given in the problem, x values are given and then like y values are given now. Okay, ranks were not given in the problem. The only like the way where we can decide whether ranks were given in the problem or ranks are not given in the problem, I told you in the last video. When ranks were given, it just starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 likewise. Okay, so since we don't find those kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values, like you can you need to understand that ranks were not given in the problem. So what do you do here when ranks were not given in the problem? You will be marking up all the x values and then like y values. You will be identifying the least value and then like marking it as 1. Or else like it can also be the other way also, even then the answer would be the same. Or else like you can identify the highest values and then like give them a rank 1. Okay, so and then the next least value would be the rank 2. Let us say if you want to do it in the other way, this 98 can be given as rank 1, 95 can be given as rank 2, and just making it for your basic understanding purpose only. Like the choice is yours whether you can like find out the least value and then like given rank value and then like with an increase in the x values you can increase in the ranks. Okay, or else like you can find the highest value and then like you can give the rank as 1 and 2, and likewise the choice is yours, like basing upon your comfortability. So and then like Even for the y values also, I have like calculated rank values. Okay. So and then d is your difference. Okay, is r1 minus r2 is your d. So in order to eliminate the minus values, I have done g square. Or else like for the purpose of calculating or applying it to the formula, the rank Spearman's rank relation, r is equal to 1 minus sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. You just apply, like put this all values into the formula. You'll be getting the correlation of Spearman rank correlation. Okay, understood? So here again in this problem we got it as negative correlation. Okay, so that's it guys. That's so simple. Thank you.